Hello everyone, welcome to another QuickBooks Basics mini-series. In today's video, I'm going to go over the Report Center in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. Many don't move to QuickBooks Online because they say that QuickBooks Online doesn't have the reporting that the QuickBooks Desktop does. And that is true in some ways. QuickBooks Desktop does have advanced reporting and a lot of reports that you can select and you can create, but QuickBooks Online does have all the necessary reports you need for your business that you can also customize. So let's take a look at the Report Center and see what we find in there. Under the Report section, we can find several sections of reports. Now we have to favorite our reports. We have Business Overview, Who Owes You Money, Sales and Customers, What You Owe, Expenses and Vendors, Sales Tax, Employees, My Accountant, and Payroll. Now let's go through each one of these sections and see what's in there. Business Overview. This is where you'll find your balance sheet and profit and loss, as well as your cash flow statement. In all these reports, you can favorite them by clicking on the star next to it, so they will appear on the favorites section. So we can also have a report that uses the tag group, and profit and loss by customer, profit and loss by jobs, we can call it that way, profit and loss by month. There's so many financial reports that you can get in this section under Business Overview. Now, under Who Owes You Money, it's all about accounts receivable. You can have a detailed summary, a detailed report, a summary report, your invoice list, unbilled time, unbilled charges, what's open invoices. And again, a lot of these, once they are customized, it will appear under Custom Reports. Under Sales and Customers, we find reports that have to do with products and services, inventory, your estimates and progress invoicing, transactions by tag list, your physical inventory worksheet. Let's see, what else do we have? The products list, estimates by customer. So there's a lot in here as well that we can use for our business. What you owe. This is your 1099, your accounts payable reports, your vendor list, unpaid bills. Expenses and vendors is open purchase orders, your vendor contact list, transaction list, purchases and products. And for sales tax, there's only three: sales tax liability, taxable sales summary. And for employees, we have employee contact list, recent edited, times activity. Now, there's a lot more, but I believe this sample company file doesn't have payroll set up, so it's not going to show the full payroll reports. But there's a lot more in here for employees. And we have for My Accountant, we find the journals, the general ledger, the recurring template list, reconciliation reports, any recent transactions, the trial balance. Oh, and here, down here's another section for payroll. So here's a little bit more like time activities, an employee contact list. But like I said, there's more for payroll once you set up the payroll module. As you can see, there's plenty of reports that are displayed here that you can use for your business, and you can always customize these reports. Once you go in a report, there's different columns or displays that you could do. Let me go to a different report. Let's do profit and loss. You can display by all these by totals, by years, by customers, by vendors, employees. You can select a comparison, previous year, the percentage, And then you can also go in here and even customize further. So there is pretty good reporting in QuickBooks Online. And if you get the advanced QuickBooks Online, then there's even more reports that you can use for your business. But I wanted to share with you, and don't let the fact that there's not that many reports in QuickBooks discourage you from moving or using QuickBooks Online, because there is plenty in here, all the necessary reports that you need for your business. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need any help one-on-one, don't forget to go to my website to schedule a one-on-one session. I will see you on the next one.